Step 1. Configure retention policy for Copilot experiences. Let's set up the policy. In Purview Portal, navigate to Solutions, then Data Lifecycle Management. Click on Policies, then Retention Policies. Create new retention policy. Name your policy, for example, Copilot Interaction Retention. Define the type. In this case, we selected static. Under Choose Locations, select Microsoft Copilot Experiences. Scope it to all users. Define retention settings based on your compliance requirement. In this case, I have selected to retain items for 3 years, and at the end of the period, delete them automatically. Submit the policy. Now we have configured retention for Microsoft Copilot Experiences. Step 2. Configure Audit Retention Policy and run an audit. Navigate to Audit. Policies. Create Audit Retention Policy. Fill in the policy name. Set the retention duration 3 years. And priority 10. Leave level record type unselected to apply the policy to all record types. Then save the policy. Now let's run an audit. Go to Audit. Search. Configure Date Range. Filter by Users. Activities interacted with Copilot. Run the search. This could take 10 minutes, so let's skip this a bit. Now we see two interaction of the user as JSON metadata system. For example, we see the plugin used, Bing Web Search, built-in for web search. Host app, Microsoft Office. But we do not see the prompt here, and that's where eDiscovery come. Step 3. Use eDiscovery for Copilot activity. Navigate to Solutions. eDiscovery. Create a new case. Give your case a name. Create a search and give the search a name as well. In Search Condition Builder, add keyword salary. N. Item class, select Copilot activity. Add a data source. Let's include the user's mailbox as a data source to investigate Copilot activity. Select only the mailbox resource, as the data resides in a hidden folder within the mailbox. Click on Run Query. Choose Search Results Type as static. Select Include Categories and include Query Keywords Reports. Run the query. Now we see the summary of the search with statics like 51 total match with many other info. Add the result to a review set and give a name to your review. You can explore additional settings when adding the result to the review set, but for now, we'll keep the default configuration. Review the activity. Here we see that the user prompted Summarize Salary Files, and Copilot interacted with the file. We can see both the user's prompt and Copilot's responses. Export the result for the compliance team. You can also grant compliance officer access to the case as a reviewer, allowing them to review the case and the data before an export is performed or a hold is applied. Go to Export. Select the export that we have just done and download the results. We've now done retention policies for Copilot experiences and audit logs. Audit logging for Copilot interactions. eDiscovery for Copilot activity. Thank you for watching.